people in the society of rural areas. और इसमें टॉपिक लिखेंगे कल्चर और साथ में स्पोर्ट्स एंड रिक्रिएशन, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स एंड रिक्रिएशन ये सारी क्या है, कल्चर में ही आता है. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट वन, अभी तक हमने देखा कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ लाइव स्टॉक टू द पीपल. नाउ विल सी रोल ऑफ लाइव स्टॉक इन फार्मर्स इकोनॉमी. I said that now role of livestock in farmers economy. Role of livestock in farmers economy. Next we are seeing, और इसमें कई चीजें आप जान रहे हैं. इनकम में हमने बताया था 16% of the income livestock is providing. Perhaps you know that in the providing employment, how many 8% of the population? Yes, large amount of population it is providing. So if I talk about, and हम लोग generally किस प्रकार की farming India वाले कर रहे हैं, this much of the livestock are there, it means it is known as mixed farming. It is known as what? When you are doing agriculture along with the animal also, that is known as what? So if the cropping get failed, then you are what is based on what? Your livelihood is based on animal. I said that therefore we can say that the India is an land of what? Mixed farming. Income, livestock is a source of subsidiary income for the many families. Means I said that additional source of income. And how much it is playing? 16%. And many families in India, especially the resources poor who maintain few heads of animals, cows and buffaloes, if in a milk provide regular income to the livestock farmers through the selling of milk. Animals like I said, the sheep, goats serve as a source of income during the emergency and meet exigency like marriages, treatment of sick person, children, education, repair. आपके घर में कोई भी बीमार हो जाए तुरंत उसको बेच दो. किसी को education, mean any kind of you need an income, it will act as in a bank. Yes or not? Moving bank. And then animals also serve as in a moving bank and assets which provides economic security to the owners. Clear? So लिख लेंगे ऐसे. In India, 16% of the income of rural farmers is through livestock. By selling milk of different milch animals, by selling milk of different milch, MILCH, milch animals, and getting good income, not good living, but by getting income by selling, and getting income by selling sheep, goat and their products. And their products. And they are act as a moving bank. I said that if we'll come into the next point is unemployment. If I am talking about in India, there is a 3 period of agriculture, Kharif, Rabi and all. So monsoon is providing only this much of what agriculture, and because of this agriculture, but at least around 6 months people are seasonal, I said that, unemployed. And in the case of seasonal unemployment, they started giving their life or importance to the water, what growing, producing, rearing animals, and their income they become unemployed. So seasonal unemployed can be removed by involving them in what? Growing livestock. So write down. Generally, Indian agriculture farmers facing seasonal unemployment, and during this period they used to migrate to urban areas but by providing different extension program to grow different types of livestock to increase their income during 180 days of seasonal unemployment. Understood it? क्योंकि जनरली आप लोग यहाँ पर जितने भी आप लोग देखते हो रिक्शा वाला हो कौन मैक्सिमम उसमें से 80% कौन है? सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयड। पता है आप लोगों को? यदि कभी आप 10 रिक्शा वाले से बात करोगे उसमें से 5-6 आपको ज़रूर बताएंगे कि आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर, फिर मैं कुछ दिन काम करता हूँ उसके बाद मैं चला जाता हूँ। अंडरस्टूड? इन मोस्ट ऑफ द ऑफिसेज सम पीपल दोज आर कमिंग फ्रॉम यूपी, बिहार एंड ऑल, they are also coming क्योंकि उनके agricultural land है, very small marginal farmers are there and they become seasonally unemployed and they come to what is in urban areas and then they go. तो यदि उनको वहाँ पे ये मिल जाए तो they will not migrate to the urban areas and then urban area will see their different way approach of infrastructural development. Understood? अब उनको मैं तो रोक नहीं सकता, उनको रोका जा सकता है कि तुम दिल्ली मत आओ, तुम कानपुर नहीं आओ, कोलकाता नहीं आओ, मुंबई नहीं आओ, it cannot be stopped. Understood? In the democratic country these things cannot happen. हाँ, एक बार कहा गया था ना मुंबई में कि and all those who are not able to speak, I said Marathi, they cannot enter in. तो सभी लोगों की जितने भी, कई लोग तो हिंदी ही रहते हैं कम्प्लीटली, मराठी नहीं आता है। तो राज ठाकरे का एक वर्ड था, सुना था कि नहीं सुना था? So I said that this is in a way we can be able to see that it is in a providing farmers economy. So the role of livestock in the farmers economy समझ में आ गया? जो पहले भी मैंने स्टार्ट में किया था, I said that income and then employment कितना प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, how many population it is getting? 8%. So लिख लेंगे 8% of the population of India is employed in livestock sector. चलो, और नेक्स्ट आप लोग कर चुके हैं, इट प्रोवाइड्स फूड, सोशल सिक्योरिटी आपका सिंबल है लाइफ का, आपको सोशल सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करता है, कल्चर एंड ऑल, ड्राफ्ट एंड द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड द डंग, ये 4 पॉइंट्स लिख लेंगे, उसको एक्सप्लेन कल करना है. सो आई सेड दैट इट प्रोवाइड्स फूड, सोशल सिक्योरिटी, draft and dung, cow dung, different types of dung of animals. So we have seen, like I said, this thing, and